All right, guys, look, the bank came and they took all my cars. It's the end of Exotic Car Hack, and I know all you haters, you were right. You were right, I couldn't afford my cars. You know, I had loans on all of them, and they're all done. So this might be my last broadcast. All right, guys, welcome back to Exotic Car Hacks. And in today's episode of We're Gonna Piss Off a Lot of Haters, we are actually going to take a look at the new Exotic Car Hacks cave. It is insane, and I can't wait to show it. Now, I know all over the internet and haters across the globe have been waiting for me to tell them that my car have been repoed, but unfortunately, that is not the case because I own all my cars cash, so you're very welcome. Now, this was where Exotic Car Hacks' first little warehouse started. I want to show you how tiny it is because this is pretty incredible. There's multiple versions of this warehouse because obviously this one does not have a mural here. But before we go to the new man cave, I just wanted to give you one last look. Look at how tiny this place is. It was about 1,500 square feet down here and about 2,000 square feet total, 2,200 with the offices. So very tiny, so I had to get multiple little warehouses like this, and the cars were all stacked up together. It made it impossible to drive one another. And now I'm gonna take you to the next warehouse where, if you've been following me for a while, you know we had that beautiful mural, those lifts and everything else. And so here we are at our actual mural, and we're about to do something pretty crazy here too, because I'm about to actually demolish this mural live right here on YouTube. But one of the things that really pains me here is this is a $30,000 mural. This costs the same as someone's BMW out there. And it was done by Marlon Pruss, one of the, I think, best artists out there when it comes to stuff like this. Very talented. This was the largest anime mural ever painted, and it is absolutely striking, beautiful, and fantastic. It has to go, unfortunately, because this was not my building. Now, I did buy my new man cave for $5 million plus. And so it's gonna, I can't wait to show it to you, but this is now going to be the end of this mural, and we're gonna literally destroy it. But this is where our second office was. There were lifts here and everything else. You can even see the footprints left of our dinosaur giant transformer that was here as well. So this is a very emotional and ending moment. You know, we're gonna transition now to the greatest warehouse we have yet to have. I can't wait to show you this building. I've been working on it for almost 3 months now. 6 million in, all in. Spectacular, spectacular location, the heart of Boca Raton. Near impossible to find space, 17,000 square feet, all air conditioned, 3 levels, and an incredible place for just future meetups, and more importantly, for an entire car collection that can fit over 30 cars. So it's gonna be very exciting to show you guys very shortly. If you've been following me on Instagram, I Create Millionaires, you've already gotten glimpses of the new place, so I can't wait to show it to you. So I'm gonna destroy this mural, then we're gonna go straight into my new place and take a look at what we've been cooking up. But don't forget, if you wanna learn how to hack cars, I know there's no cars, I'm literally on foot today. I rode here with my videographer, but if you wanna learn how to hack cars, again, I can't stress it enough, take the free training. You know, getting into cars, getting into watches has been one of the best decisions of my life over 20 years ago. It's given me the opportunity today to scale many of my businesses with insane amounts of cash flow as a result of that. So I need you to learn how to do that too. Regardless if you go to learnfrompj.com or that you click the link to learn how to hack cars, or that you actually join Exotic Car Hacks or any of my other communities, this is an incredible opportunity. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and destroy this crazy mural, and then we're gonna get straight into my new place. Ready? All right, so as I promised, we're about to do the unthinkable. Oh boy. Ready to see what a $30,000. God, this is painful. I almost feel bad, but I have to. I don't have a choice. I have to because I can't let someone else have this masterpiece. It's just what it comes down to. No one else can have it. That's the only reason I'm doing this. They wanted to keep it, but I can't give away my brand, and I can't have someone have the second largest anime mural now that I've built the largest, baddest one. More. Goodbye. Goodbye, $30,000 down the toilet. I'm sorry, Marlon. I know it was some of your best work, but it's gotta die. It's gotta completely die. Ryu's not dead. Well, there you have it, guys. $30,000 down the toilet. No more unit 2. I can't even reach there because I'm tiny. I'm gonna have this professionally painted so it looks good, but all of our favorite characters are now dying one at a time. So sorry, but I had to trash it. I had no choice. All right, so now let's head to my new place. We're gonna let the professionals kill this now that we killed this. They're gonna go ahead and paint this whole thing white. It's been fun, but new adventures begin. I'm gonna keep you waiting till next video to show you the brand new cave for Exotic Car Hacks and how incredible it is. So stay tuned, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications. I won't keep you waiting too long. We're gonna drop these videos back to back. You're about to see part 2 coming real soon. Let's go. My name is Pejman Gadimi and I teach people how to drive exotics for free. Let's look here at how this Huracan can cost as little as $300 a month.